Nuffic has developed a new innovative instrument for international collaboration called LivingLabs. A LivingLab is a bilateral quadruple helix initiative driven by higher education that links countries based on specific knowledge themes. This short trailer gives an overview of this new instrument that will allow you to collaborate with the Netherlands in an innovative way. The Dutch government has identified 9 key areas in which the Netherlands excels: agriculture and food, horticulture, high-tech industries, energy, logistics, creative industries, life sciences, chemicals industry, and water. These areas are also related to some of the great challenges of our time on a global, national, regional, and local level. The challenges define the agenda of both the policy of the Dutch government and Europe's research framework programme Horizon 2020. The Netherlands has always operated in an international area of trade, research and innovation. The LivingLabs are a logical next step in this tradition. In order to find the right response to these challenges, innovation is needed. The LivingLab philosophy optimizes the potential for innovative international collaboration. The Nuffic, based in The Hague in the Netherlands, supports internationalization in higher education and research. It has set up offices around the world in a limited number of designated countries under the NIZO program. NIZO stimulates staff and student mobility and innovation initiatives. Through its global network of NIZO offices, Nuffic acts as a liaison for international collaboration based on the LivingLab philosophy. The LivingLab philosophy is based on a so-called quadruple helix. This means that knowledge institutions, enterprises, government agencies, and civil society organizations collaborate through co-creation and from an end-user perspective. A LivingLab is a working model, facilitating collaboration between partners from the Netherlands and from one of the designated countries. Each LivingLab focuses on themes from one of the selected 9 key areas. The partnerships are a combination of business, government, education, and stakeholders representing the end user. The core of any LivingLab is the participation of at least 3 of the 4 Helix partners. The key activity in a LivingLab is research connected to engineering, design, creation, problem-solving, testing, and valorization. In this way, practice-based research becomes a key factor in ensuring successful translation and transfer of research outcomes into tangible innovation results. A LivingLab starts from a particular theme related to the 9 key areas. Each representative of the quadruple helix can identify the need to initiate a LivingLab. The next step would be to either use your existing network of quadruple helix partners or to contact the Nuffic NIZO office. They function as a matchmaking platform for higher education institutions from the Netherlands. They represent all higher education institutions from the Netherlands and have access to an extensive local network. These form the basis to actively connect problem holders with possible relevant Helix partners. Their network includes other Dutch support organizations, like the innovation attachés of the Dutch embassies or local Dutch chambers of commerce, as well as Holland alumni networks. Some examples. In Indonesia, a LivingLab focuses on logistics involving several ministries, 3 companies, including the Indonesia Port Corporation, 4 Indonesian knowledge institutions, and 3 Dutch universities of applied sciences. In Korea, a LivingLab will start on serious games. In Brazil, innovation in agriculture is the leading theme. Participating in a LivingLab is more than contributing to solving the major challenges ahead. The lab is an important platform for capacity building, contributing to the growth of human capital and a sustainable contribution to innovation.